Jesse Clinton, environmental, social, and governance, or ESG investing, is more than just feel-good investing. You can make money from it too, right?
Absolutely. It's not just a trend anymore. It is imperative that people start to incorporate this into their investment discipline. If you don't, you could get caught.
And actually, with a few stocks over the past year, we saw ESG investing lead the way. So, for example, Wells Fargo and Valiant, if you'd have watched ESG ratings, you could have avoided some catastrophes.
That's right. You saw huge declines in those two specific names. And the only way to have been in front of that would have been to look at the sustainability rankings, because they were actually coming down, which is funny because most of the Wall Street analysts' price target were going up into their big announcements and then declines.
And one of the things that you do over at Snowden Lane is you mix ESG investing with the covered call strategy. A lot of people are using covered calls nowadays because it's hard to find yield. You're getting from that option premium.
That's right. So we continue to write these covered calls, a little bit higher out of the money as we spoke about earlier in the year. And now we're actually overlaying an investment discipline additional with ESG. So looking at the sustainability rankings of these companies to look for the highest sustainable companies, because we think it makes sense intuitively that these companies will outperform in the long run, right? They have less volatility, they are managing for the longer term, they're better to their people, more conservative accounting standards, more women in the workplace. So these are companies that intuitively you'd want to be invested in anyway.
And you can find these companies in a couple of ETFs that you use. One is the KLD, which is the iShares MSCI USA ESG Select ETF. These names keep getting long. The other one is the iShares KLD 400. That's the DSI. Why do you like these?
Two great indexes to mention. So being on an independent, transparent platform, we're able to pull resources from all over. So we've added to our index share approach a couple of index that will actually track the higher sustainable ranking companies. Both DSI, KLD, great ways to play the whole sustainable movement, which, again, is here to stay.
All right, we're going to watch it. Thanks a lot, Jesse.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank you for watching The Street.